All right, what are we doing today, bud?
Today, we got the Honda.
The Honda CM400C.
We're gonna be busting this John open and seeing if the motor's seized up. It might be, might not.
Right, this thing has low miles. It's not, I was about to say it's not bad condition. It's pretty bad condition.
Yep.
Bought it for $100 off of my friend's dad. So we're just gonna see if this thing even wants to run today. What we're gonna try to do is we're trying to take this cover off right here, access the flywheel, and see if it even wants to crank over at all. It looks like someone tried to work on it before because you take off the spark plugs and there's brand new spark plugs in there.
Brand new spark.
But first things first, we're gonna take all this stuff off. We're gonna get it all prepped, and then we're gonna go get Mr. Lee, and we're gonna teach him how to do this because he don't really know what he's doing. Ain't that right, bud?
No, he does not. He doesn't have a clue.
There's no kickstart. That's the one issue that we found. So we're gonna have to figure out where these two random wires go. Get a whole new cluster up front because this ignition is non-existent. And then a battery, but we might just steal it off of one of my dirt bikes. All right, we're recording finally. All right. Take it off the seat. Mr. Tank right here. Yes. It came with Allstate Auto Claim Service Guide.
And what looks to be a homemade shiv.
Yeah. Basically.
Some plate bolts.
Take those. It actually was registered last in 1998, I think it is. Is that a 98 registration on that?
It is.
Perfect.
Illinois.
In Illinois, 98. The tank. So, what I've noticed, I've already kind of messed around with this bike a little. I've had it for a little bit. Oh, it pops off, but it's still connected right down here. It's only this one right here. Is it connected on that side too?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Alright, those are going to be easy to pop off, though. There should be no food in there. Let me go grab it.
I doubt there is.
Our one issue is it going to be all seized up? Okay. We're going to try to treat this one. I'm blocking all the light. We're going to try to treat the fuel tank, but I don't think it's going to... I don't know. If you look in it... Wait, what? There's liquid in it. Hold up.
Is that gas?
There's no way.
Is it?
Dude, this thing's been sitting in a garage for what I've heard. So it was last registered in 98, right?
Here, I'll pull it out of the carburetor first. Bring me a drip pan.
Probably sand it all down, put some stuff in it.
Spring.
We also need to grab a bin for this stuff.
I bent the seat clamp, but that's not
That's
a new
fine.
one.
We'll get a new one.
Also, because that one's garbage.
Right, yeah.
Also, this hose, oh yeah, this dry rotted.
Is the hose dry? Completely off? Okay. Is it off?
Yeah. Honestly, it's still went too dry rotted.
No, that actually looks pretty
I think
new, honestly.
Do a little bending with it. Oh, it's fine. We can keep this.
Alright.
This is good.
Perfect.
I thought that would have been dry rotted.
I forgot to show you guys this too. You guys probably saw it. The speedometer looks like this thing took a wreck. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's a bit busted.
But
You can still change them up.
But here's what we got so far. It definitely needs a nice little cleaning for sure. But we're going to take off this right here. The flywheel. Hypothetically, if we know what we're doing, should be under this. But we also don't know what we're doing. If this does work, we're going to look at the carbs. Definitely needs a new chain. If you guys can see in there, that's 100% rusted. There's a little bit more than 100%. But, okay, we're going to go find the sizes, then we'll be back. All right, we're popping the shifter off right now, just so we can get into this, and then we're gonna wait up for Lee. We're gonna go pick him up, and then he'll do that part, cause he doesn't really work on stuff. So we're gonna try to teach him how to do this.
Yeah, you don't know nothing about cars.
W40, that's not in my name. Move.
I was like, it's moving. It's stuck. Yeah.
All right,
Got the good juice in there. This only up. You be careful there.
Go grab something real quick.
Yeah, get a mallet and a screwdriver.
I know where nothing is after we got them toolboxes.
You don't know where it's at. You never knew where anything is.
You whispered it was real.
I don't know what you're talking about. Here it comes.
Oh wait, here I got leverage. 1 second.
I don't think you have leverage.
Is it taking the whole thing out with it?
No. Yeah.
Perfect.
Look at these doo-doo welds. Who welded this?
Oh jeez. Okay.
Nice.
All right, but put that back in. All right, so
Use it.
now we wait for Lee.
Yay.
And if we're being honest to you guys, we don't know what we're doing.
We're just kind of figuring it out as we go.
Like, we know how to work on motors. I've been riding dirt bikes for a while. I've been working on them, but we also got this little thingy over here. But this is something different. Never really worked on something like this. And it's gonna be interesting. We looked at the manuals, and the manual basically told us to take that off. That's all it said. Man, this thing really needs a nice little cleaning.
Yeah, it does.
All right, well, we'll see you guys when Lee gets here. Ain't that right, team?
Mm-hmm.
We got Leland. Well, we don't trust him working on the bike, so we gave him bubble wrap. Ain't that right, Lee? Yeah, yep. So he's taking off this bad boy right here. Dee's just dropping stuff over here, trying to take the plate off. We're keeping that as a relic. Is that the right word? Yeah. So boom. We're gonna give it a second for him to set up, learn what he's doing. Then we're gonna go. Hola, we back. Lee, tell me, you ready, bud?
Oh, born ready.
You were born ready, or hand him the ratchet.
Oh, yeah.
Let me grab the GoPro.
Well, wait, I need to get rid of some bubble wrap.
He needs to get rid of some bubble wrap?
Yeah.
Why does he gotta get rid of bubble wrap?
Oh,
We messed up the bubble wrap already.
let's take the bubble wrap.
Alright. Start corner.
Oh, damn.
Easy, don't like try to crank it.
Other way.
Turn it, yeah.
You're tightening it.
Oh shit, no, wait.
See, that's what I'm saying.
See this little switch right here?
Yep,
Click that.
okay.
There you go, alright. And then, no, don't take it out yet. No, go all the way to the other corner. We're gonna kinda,
Oh,
because we don't know how braille all this stuff is.
bet.
Or brittle. Brittle's the word. Braille's what blind people read, right?
Bro, I don't fucking know. Shit.
Alright, there's a bottom one.
Where? Damn, bro.
I'll take. Man, I need to take this shit off.
I can't see nothing. God damn.
I think there's one here, one on the other side on the bottom. You got it. There you go. Oh, alright, put it back on. You're good. It just came off, I think. Well, that's crispy. I ain't gonna lie. Is there another one down there somewhere? Yeah, it's like.
This one has like.
So we're hoping this is the right thing to take off.
Should be.
Oh, it's full.
I think it's clutch. There's not that. There's a leaker should be right there. It's
I think that's good. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go with it again. And then just loosen up, restart it, and keep going. Yeah, all of them. Yep. We let the top one on so it hangs itself up. We should hang itself up. What? It's okay. I'm sitting on 4K whatever. I'm gonna speed up this song. Almost at that. There you go, hard right. There you go. These are looking
Fucking chops.
Why does it look brand new?
That's
Hold
what
up.
I'm saying.
So that's something we've been noticing on this bike so far. A lot of things are looking like almost brand new.
Oh, you want to know? I didn't think about that gasket in there. It's probably trashed.
Right here. Yeah, no, don't do that. Hold up. Let me go. Oh, that. Go back to the big one. Let me give it a few pops.
This was on there.
Here, let me pop it a few times. Just. Oh, it totally cracked out. There you go. Right here. You ready? Pull it out straight out because. All right, here. Let me pop it on the bottom one time.
think that bottom bolt might not be enough now. Ooh, you see the dust coming out of there?
Oh, I smell the dust.
That's the clutch. That clutch is toast.
Clutch isn't over here. I don't think.
Why wouldn't it be? I think it's that bottom bolt down there, but I don't. I feel like this is. Oh, that's loose.
Here, loosen that up. I think. Oh, don't tell
That's
me.
not-
Don't tell me what I think I did. Here, where's the ratchet at?
It felt like it was loose. I don't know. Yeah, it is a motor mount. It's this. Look, because this is turning with it. It's just stuck on that.
Here's what we're dealing with. Oh, I see light between it now. And that here, where's our little light? I think bring out the phone light for this. That is connected to this somehow, but it shouldn't be connected.
Oh, you know what it probably is?
Here, you can take the camera back, sir.
It's probably a lock ring. It's probably a little lock ring. I think there's a lock ring in it.
Man, I didn't say to do this in the manual. Just said that we could take it off.
Yeah, it didn't tell us it was going to be bumping stuff.
No, yeah, it's totally moving with it side to side. All right, try pulling.
Coming.
It coming. Is it? Oh. Oh Lord.
Oh shit. Yeah. Look at that gasket.
What gasket?
Yeah. What gasket? Dude. That thing is destroyed.
Hey, there's a new bolt here. So, that ain't looking too hot.
No.
What size are you looking for that? That's
16.
about 16? Yeah. It's a Honda, so counterclockwise. Which way is that?
Left.
I didn't know that.
It's a 17.
17. See, he's wrong.
I was close though.
17 or 15?
17.
Oh.
Boom. Would you look at that?
Mr. Cool Guy over here.
I would take that as it's not seized. That's a
You might have just locked it on. You may have just unlocked it.
That was full. Yep, there's the valves. Yeah, it's not seized. That's a full rotation. Shh. You could hear when it got to the top. Listen. Hear the valves? Yeah, listen. Hold on. You can.
Oh yeah, they're totally going. You can hear them going.
Hell yeah! Yeah, back to the bottom dead center.
All right.
Hell yeah!
Okay. We might need a new flywheel.
Oh, 100%.
Oh, that's cracked on the inside. Look at it. Oh, yeah, it's cracked up in there. I don't think there's not enough. Oh, yeah, you kind of got it. So, I'm tempted to take just the whole motor out. Oh, fuck.
Bad idea. Make it a lot easier to work on it. You just want to start stripping the bike.
Where you keep all the shit?
Yeah, no, let's
bin.
not do that right now.
Well, not strip it, but at least start taking shit off. Like the exhausts can come off. How about everything that's in the way of us progressing any further with this?
Yeah, we'll take the exhaust off.
So
I
if
think the
it's
same
exhaust-
size.
Tyler was looking oral farming for a second. Yeah?
Exhaust, that's easy. I can get that off right now.
All right, we'll do that, and then I'll take the carbs off of it.
Oh yeah, I forgot this is a dual carb.
Yeah,
There's two
carbs
cylinders.
on it.
Yeah, that's weird.
Kind of like Honda made the V-twin.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's moving.
It's our first 10 mil.
Look, it's moving. The throttle is actually connected.
Oh yeah. But hey, our first 10 mil bolt on the Honda.
Oh Lord. Where did it go?
Uh-oh, Tyler, I dropped it.
I would be so mad. So
Tyler, the Venmo's gone.
we're gonna make a little shopping list. Our Venmo will be in the description. You can send us money to work on this bad boy.
Yeah, if you guys want to see the Honda on the road again, hit that follow button.
What are you doing back there, pal?
Play with my fucking bubble wrap, gang.
Oh, is that a full mouse?
Holy. I wouldn't be surprised.
Oh my god, it is a mouse. Oh shit.
Right up that mouse, hell yeah. Love it. We're gonna open the head and shit to get a whole mess.
No. Oh, there's more in there.
That's what I'm saying, dude. We're gonna open the head up and it's just gonna be full.
I've dealt with mouse poop 1 or 2 times in my day.
Yeah.
We have a little wasp nest back here.
God damn.
Everything's just like a mess, dude. Like, everything on this bike. But once it gets warm out where we can run the hoses, we'll hose it all down. I think Buddy over here's struggling.
Yeah, this ain't long enough. Can't get enough leverage.
I think Buddy over here is having an issue. Ain't that right, pal?
Yeah. Because I don't have enough leverage.
There's so much this bike needs to be done to it. But it would low-key be pretty cool when it's done. Alright. All I hear in the corner is my man popping his bubble wrap. Alright. Alright, we're taking more looks at the bike. That turns really good. Goes to top dead center, bottom dead center. Smooth. Took off the spark plugs. No rust in there. We were looking at the ignition. We could shove a screwdriver in there and get it to turn, but we have no battery. So, we don't know if this is going to work. But we're going to try to connect the trickle charger to these and see if we can get like some sort of light or something to pop up. Because honestly, all we want to do right now is check for spark. That's kind of our main goal. Alright, that's it. We're done today. We finished. Next, what's up for this bad boy is getting this ignition working and getting some power somewhere. We don't know where, but power somewhere. But yeah, that's it.